In today's video, I will show you how to remove or sign out Google account from Messages app. Logging out of your profile within Google Messages is a great move if you want to keep your texting entirely local or just clean up how your profile data is shared across Google services. Just keep in mind that stepping away from your cloud profile means you will temporarily lose access to account-tied extras like advanced device pairing or automated AI tools. To make the switch, start by opening the Google Messages app on your device and making sure you are signed in. Once you are on the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, look for the small drop-down arrow next to your name and click on Switch Account. From there, simply scroll down the menu and choose Use this app without an account, then click on Sign Out at the bottom right. Just wait for the app to finish processing, and the system will instantly unlink your cloud data while keeping your standard text inbox completely intact. And that's it. That's how you remove or sign out Google account from Messages app.